Hello YouTube, just got home from work and got something to do real quick. Stand by. Okay, they're making a new driveway here for my house. Still wet, so I can't park in my driveway, but I got something to do and it's on the porch. A small package. Time to open this up and see what we have. I needed 2 new key fobs. I broke one and the other one doesn't work anymore. So I'm going to program one of these real quick before I go back into the house. This is my old one. It still works, but you can see right here, this piece broke off, so I got to keep it in my pocket instead of on my key ring. I won't be needing this no more, but I'm going to put this away just as a standby. But first thing first, I'm going to program one of these new ones. Okay, this is the new one. Looks exactly like a factory one, except it doesn't have all the Ford writing on the back. And it only cost me $10 for a set of 2. So, time to program this. Now, this will work for any Ford Taurus from 1996 to 2007, and for every Mercury Sable from 97 to 2005. And it's simple. Just get the key. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it all the way to on, but not start. You're going to do that 8 times. And when you do it 8 times, just keep it on the on without cranking it. And the door locks will lock and unlock. That will let you know that it's time, that it's ready to be programmed. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It locked. Now,
newsflash: good oral care habits keep you healthy.
Now, let's try this here. Unlock. Now. There it is. It's programmed. So that's all you got to do. And that's the end of my quick little video. Till next time.